So for this question, we are supposed to solve the equation, right, leaving the answer as a recurring decimal. So if the answer is a recurring decimal, likely the answer is going to be a fraction. Okay, probably will be a fraction because recurring decimals usually they are fractions. Okay. So here, again, 3, I'm going to treat 3 as 3 over 1, right? Not illegal, right? So the purpose why I do this is so that you can see that a lot of things, no matter how disgusting, we can put them as so-called a fraction equals fraction. This is what I mean. One fraction equals to another fraction. So when I'm in this position, what I do next, very simple. I try to make it, let me see. I try to cross multiply. Okay, so I'll cross multiply. Okay, so on my left-hand side, I have 1 multiplied to 3p minus 1. On the right-hand side, I have 3 let me use red color. 3 multiplied to 3p plus 1. So that is 3 multiplied to 3p plus 1. Okay? From here, 1 multiplied to 3p. Okay, 1 multiplied to 3p minus 1. I mean, it's basically just itself, the same thing. Okay, 3 to 3p, that gives me 9p. 3 to positive 1, that gives me positive 3. And in the same position, I want to isolate my p, put all the p on one side, put all the constants on the other side, and try to solve for p. Okay, okay, probably what I do is maybe I'm going to add 1 on both sides first. It doesn't matter whether you try to merge the constants or merge the variables first. Okay, so I have 3p on the left. 3 plus 1, that gives me a 4. 9p plus 4. Okay, okay, after that, probably maybe I minus 9p on both sides. So just to carry off this 9p now. Positive 9p minus 9p cancel off. I have 4 on the right. 3p minus 9p, I have negative 6p. Now, when negative 6p equals to 4, now you know that the next thing is you want to get p equals to something, right? So what do we do? Very simple. Divide both sides by minus 6. Divide both sides by minus 6. Okay? Can? So we have 4 divided by minus 6, which is the same as negative 2 over 3. Okay, you leave the answer in the simplest form. So negative 2 over 3, remember, you are supposed to follow the question. So never ever forget that the question always has some tricks. Now, if I want to leave this, just go to the calculator. You can see that in the recurring decimal form, p is equal, negative 2 over 3 is 0.666666666. Okay, so write this as a recurring decimal. I mean, you're just going to get a negative 0.6. Now, remember how we represent recurring numbers, right? We put a dot on top. Okay, and this is your answer. Thank you.